Welcome to the CPM Customer Success Podcast, where we help Office of Finance leaders find an exact solution to enhance their corporate performance without spending nights and weekends in the office. Hi, I'm your host, Andy Smetana from Nova Advisory. Nova Advisory is a 100% OneStream professional services diamond implementation partner. We help OneStream customers and prospective OneStream customers get the most out of their OneStream investment. Speaking of getting the most out of your OneStream investment, we have a special download for you to help you make the best CPM investment decision for your organization. You can check that out now at the Nova Advisory website, novaadvisory.com/podcast, and download our free CPM customer success software evaluation criteria and selection workbook. Each of the criteria is described in more detail in an episode of CPM Customer Success. The workbook identifies that episode. They'll help you explore deeper what makes OneStream unique as compared to other CPM solutions in the marketplace. It'll guide your CPM decision process, so check that out now. It's free to listeners. So in today's episode, we're tackling one of the most pressing challenges of finance leaders. How do we achieve a single source of truth for the financial information that we use to run our business? It's a big question, but it's an even bigger opportunity to transform your finance function. We'll explore the pain points of disconnected systems. We'll define what a single source of truth is, why it matters. We'll look at how OneStream delivers on its promise and share real-world success stories from companies like OSI Group and Johnson Outdoors. So let's start by addressing the challenges that finance teams face each day. If you're in finance, you've likely experienced at least one of these pain points, perhaps even all of them. So one of the biggest challenges is working in silos. Each department or business unit often has its own data or systems. Sales and marketing are using one platform, operations is using another. Finance is stuck trying to reconcile all the pieces together with their various sources of financial transactions. These silos create inconsistencies, and when your data doesn't match, it leads to confusion, it leads to lack of trust in the numbers. This isn't just frustrating, it's dangerous. When leadership needs quick decisions, misaligned data can lead to costly mistakes. Integrating various systems and data sources is another significant challenge. Traditional CPM solutions involve separate applications. For each process, they have different apps, which leads to complex reconciliations between those and manual work effort to align actuals, plans, and forecasts. This complexity not only increases the risk of errors, it also consumes valuable time and resources within your organization that could be spent on other, better, wiser strategic initiatives. Technical debt refers to long-term costs and inefficiencies that arise from using outdated or poorly integrated systems. As businesses grow and evolve, their technology stack can become increasingly cumbersome, leading to higher maintenance costs and reduced agility. Addressing technical debt is crucial for finance and accounting leaders to ensure their systems can modernize and support modern business demands and drive efficiencies. Let's talk about time. The one thing every finance team needs more of is more time. Many teams are stuck in manual processes, reconciling spreadsheets and performing repetitive tasks. The month-end close can feel like a marathon, leaving little time for strategic initiatives. So not only is this inefficient, it also increases the risk of human error. A single missed decimal can throw off your entire financial report. So now imagine needing data on the fly in order to make a critical decision, but the problem is your tools just can't keep up. When systems aren't integrated, pulling real-time data becomes impossible. You're forced to rely on outdated reports. And this lag in information means missed opportunities and reactive decision-making instead of proactive planning. And then there's compliance. For finance leaders, it's always top of mind, of course. Auditors demand accuracy, they demand traceability and consistency, but fragmented systems make this a nightmare. You're constantly scrambling to provide answers, which pulls resources away from day-to-day tasks and things they should be focusing on. In short, disconnected systems and processes create a domino effect of inefficiencies, errors, and stress. But there is a better way, and that's where the single source of truth comes in. So what is a single source of truth in CPM? Now that we've outlined the challenges, let's dive into the solution, that single source of truth. What does this mean? A single source of truth is a concept and a strategy. What I mean by that is that at its core, it's all about bringing all of your financial and operational data together into one place. This means no more juggling spreadsheets, no more reconciling data from multiple systems. It ensures that every team, whether you're in finance, operations, or leadership, you're all working within the same data sets. Consistency becomes the norm, it's not the exception. So how does all that work? With a single source of truth, your data flows seamlessly through one unified platform. All of your financial close, your planning information, your reports, and your analysis and analytic apps, all that can happen within one place. Data entry happens once, and updates ripple across the system in real time or as fast or as frequently as you want that data to come into your application. It's not just efficient, it's transformative for how teams collaborate and operate. So why all does this matter? Let's talk about the impact a single source of truth can have on your organization. First, it eliminates redundancies. Finance teams can stop reconciling data and information from disparate systems. They can start analyzing that information. Second, it builds trust. When everyone sees the same numbers, decision-making becomes more confident and more aligned to your strategy. And third, it creates transparency. Leadership can drill into details, whether that's customer profitability, product performance, or geographic trends, and you can drill into those details without delays. So let's now talk about why it's critical for finance leaders to have a single source of truth. Let's break it down. First up, strategic decision making. When your data is unified, you can make faster, smarter decisions. Next up, improving collaboration. A single source of truth in one platform aligns your finance organization with other departments, other operational and other departments and business segments within your organization. You get everyone speaking the same financial language. Next up, compliance and risk management. Having accurate, traceable data simplifies audits. It will reduce your financial risk. It's also scalable. A single source of truth grows with you as your business grows. It helps you adopt and adapt to new challenges and opportunities. Finance leaders aren't just keeping the books anymore. They're really driving strategy. And to do that, they need data that they can trust. So let's talk now about how OneStream really is a solution for a single source of truth and how OneStream delivers on a promise of that single source of truth. OneStream unifies your financial close, your planning processes, your reporting, your analysis. It marries up that operational and financial data, and it does it all on one platform. So there's no more juggling multiple tools. It provides real-time insights. It lets you drill down into granular details like customer or product level profitability. Its extensibility ensures that the platform evolves with your needs, and with solutions from the OneStream marketplace, such as lease accounting transaction matching, you can address specific needs seamlessly. What this solves for your finance team is getting to one single source of truth helps you first dramatically improve efficiency. And let's use an example. OSI Group cut 2.5 days off their financial reporting process after implementing OneStream. Next up, getting to that single source of truth with OneStream, it boosts your transparency and trust. With OneStream, teams are speaking the same language from from the local level all the way up to the executive suite. Third, it reduces costs by eliminating the need for multiple tools and IT support. And finally, it enhances strategic planning, enabling dynamic forecasts and scenario modeling. The result, finance teams spend less time reconciling data and more time driving value. So let's talk about a couple of customer successes. And let's bring these concepts together with real life insights, real world examples. Two companies, OSI Group and Johnson Outdoors, they partnered with Nova Advisory to achieve their single source of truth. And they used the OneStream platform to achieve that. So first up, OSI Group. It's a global leader in food manufacturing. It was faced with challenges with fragmented systems. They relied on Oracle's HFM system and multiple ERP applications, which led to inefficiencies and limited visibility of their financial information. Each entity submitted data manually. It caused delays and errors. Drilling into details like customer profitability was impossible with their old setup. Now, after implementing OneStream, their finance transformation was truly remarkable. And a quote from OSI's Director of Corporate Accounting, OneStream is significantly easier and faster for our teams to load data. It saves us at least a day of work every close. OSI Group, they cut 2.5 days off their financial reporting process. They unified global data, enabling consistent reporting across 75 entities. Drill-through capabilities allowed them to analyze fluctuations at a very granular level. And to continue on with that quote from the OSI Group Director of Corporate Accounting, with OneStream, we're all talking the same numbers, which is great. The ability to drive into and drill into data and get answers has been a game changer. So achieving a single source of truth, it's not just about efficiency, it's also about transforming how finance teams operate. It's the foundation that supports every decision, every strategy, and every success. Next up, let's talk about Johnson Outdoors. Johnson Outdoors is a global outdoor equipment company. It's faced similar struggles with outdated systems. They needed a solution that could simplify the close process and provide actionable insights. With OneStream, they achieved faster close times, improved forecast accuracy, and enhanced visibility. Their CFO remarked, the ability to see the whole picture in one platform has fundamentally changed how we operate. These stories aren't just inspiring, they're proof that a single source of truth isn't a dream, it's achievable, and the benefits are undeniable. So what we learned today, a single source of truth is critical for modern finance. It streamlines processes, it improves collaboration, and it drives smarter decisions. OneStream delivers on this unified, extensible platform and a unified platform for finance information. And Nova Advisory, we are your partner to help you make it happen. If you're ready to transform your finance function, reach out to Nova Advisory today, and together we'll help you achieve extraordinary results with OneStream. If you'd like to hear more about the OSI Group story, check out episode number 12 of CPM Customer Success, where we interview OSI Group's CFO, Sherry DeMillionaire. She talks about OSI's transformation with OneStream and how we achieved their single source of truth. That's it for today's episode of CPM Customer Success. Thank you for joining. Remember to check out that CPM Customer Success, CPM software evaluation criteria to guide your CPM decision process. The OneStream capabilities we've been describing in each episode of CPM Customer Success, they dive deeper into those criteria. Check that out now at Nova Advisory's website, novaadvisory.com/podcast. Download our free CPM Customer Success software evaluation criteria and selection workbook. Thanks again for listening today, and I'll catch you next week for another episode of CPM Customer Success.